Marcella, you can definitely tell a storm is brewing. I woke up to rain in La Mesa and loved it, and now it's been windy all day long, really creating a lot of choppiness in this beautiful ocean. We're expecting sets up to 8 feet. So with these big waves and then the king tides that bring very high tides, we could once again see water come up and over this boardwalk wall.
The weather from Chicago.
It's super windy right now, definitely, and the ocean looks crazy.
The waves are awesome. Like they're huge right now.
Seasons in San Diego, windy and wet weather to kick off our weekend.
We didn't get that much rain right there in South Bay, but I know everybody else got kind of poured on.
The storm also toppled trees overnight, this eucalyptus crushing several cars at the north end of Pacific Beach.
It's wild because we didn't hear anything from our apartment, and honestly, it's so crazy when we see that tree all the time and just have no idea that we didn't even realize the winds were that strong last night.
Countywide, we've seen whipping winds, especially in our mountains, rain scattered throughout, and extra big waves at the beach.
The waves, honestly, I wouldn't even bother trying to swim in that.
Best time to see our king tides on Saturday will be at 8:30 a.m. and again around 10 p.m. King tides are used to describe exceptionally high tides, usually when the sun, moon, and earth are aligned, creating a stronger gravitational pull on the ocean.
Beautiful sand, big waves, the wind's great. Everyone's having a nice time here.
John Love is here for the first time from Minnesota.
So miserable. No, it's awesome here. It's perfect.
The Sandoval family from the South Bay is also welcoming the change.
It's a nice refreshment. Yeah, definitely. A change of weather is good.
Even their kids see the benefit.
The rain so it could grow the plants.
We're told city crews are on standby as the National Weather Service says we can expect minor flooding in these low-lying beach areas.
It's because I did see some houses boarded up with trying to protect any waters.
Yeah, and you can expect another round of high tide tonight at 9:23. And then it might be extra fun to go out at low tide and see what you find. I know you surfers love this, so please stay safe out there. As for our mountain communities, we could even see snow at 5,000 feet. For perspective, Alpine is at 4,000 feet. So enjoy our chilly weekend. We're reporting live tonight from a very windy Mission Beach. Back to you, Marcella.
It looks blustery out there, Jenny. Go get inside your vehicle and stay warm.